So in 1914, after the third feasibility report was in, I think there was a sense that Harappa was going to get excavated. The report had been prepared by a very senior archaeologist, Harold Hargreaves, and the report recommended excavations. It also contained the first photographs of Harappa that we have. This is from the report. You can see the mounds, right at the back. And there are also, photographs like this. Ring stones of the Harappan civilization being worshipped, in the Naga's shrine at Harappa, and of course, Harappan seals. But again, the excavations did not take place. And the reason for this was the Great War, which broke out in 1914. The First World War led to this massive war effort on the part of British India in the form of money and men. And in the archaeological survey, there was now a palpable crunch. Ongoing excavations, in many instances, were suspended, and there was a moratorium on new excavations. Also, many of the archaeologists, the British archaeologists, went off to fight in the war, including Harold Hargreaves himself. So here again, it is political events related to a theatre of war, very far removed from India, that further slowed the process of pursuing the clues from Harappa. Now, some years later, in place of Hargreaves, Dayaram Sahni was brought in, and Dayaram Sahni is the man who we associate with that crucial excavation of 1921 at Harappa.